So generally, the mood is becoming electric slowly. The people are actually accepting the triple C led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa. It's because the people understand the capacity and the capability of President Nelson Chamisa to lead Zimbabwe. So you'll be told about age, you'll be told about experience, you'll be told about so many things. But remember that during GNU, President Nelson Chamisa held a very powerful ministerial position, and that was the most effective ministerial or ministry during GNU. A lot of ICT developments we realized during that period. Zvekuti dai takasvika panguva inoi tina vachamisa dai izvezvizvi Zimbabwe yaane imwe direction yatora a different direction. We are talking about a selfless leader, a leader who is actually focused on making sure that Zimbabweans are liberated from the shackles of poverty, from the shackles of corruption, from the shackles of mismanagement, injustice, and so forth. So we are saying because jobs will be created, and that is a priority. You will see industries being opened, you will see the economy being corrected, and those are the issues we are focusing on, because 2023 is our year as young people. So this is a generational consensus, a generational mandate which we have to carry, and we believe in Advocate Nelson Chamisa. So we are saying mwana wese ndanovhotera pana Advocate Nelson Chamisa, ndanovhotera pana MP wavo, ndanovhotera pana kansela wavo. That is the only way we can realize an equal Zimbabwe for all.